In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Booking.com customer care. If you need help with a reservation, billing, or anything about your trip, the quickest way to reach the right team is through Booking.com's Help Center on their website. Begin on the Booking.com homepage and click Contact Customer Service. This takes you straight to the Help Center, where support is organized so your request is routed to the best team. You'll see options designed to solve the most common issues, but we'll follow the path that gets you personalized assistance. Next, choose Get Help with a Booking. Selecting this tells the system you have a specific reservation in mind, which often unlocks faster, more accurate support options. If you're signed in, your bookings may appear automatically. If not, you can still proceed and describe your situation in the next steps. You'll then be prompted to select a category. This helps narrow your request so you don't get generic answers. Categories group topics like payments, changes, cancellations, property questions, and more. Take a moment to pick the one that best matches your issue so your message goes to the right specialists. For this example, choose Stays. This is the category for hotels, apartments, and other accommodation reservations. If your concern is about check-in details, special requests, payment holds, or changes to dates for a place you're staying, this is the correct choice. Now click Message Customer Service. This opens the secure messaging form. Messaging is convenient because it creates a written trail of your conversation, and you can reply when it's convenient without waiting on hold. It also allows the support team to review your details before responding, which can speed up resolution. Type your message clearly and concisely. Include helpful context like your booking confirmation number, the property name, your travel dates, and what outcome you're looking for, whether that's a date change, clarification of charges, or help contacting the property. Stick to facts. Avoid sharing sensitive personal data, and mention any deadlines, such as an upcoming check-in time, so they know it's time-sensitive. When you're satisfied with your message, click Send. You should see a confirmation that your request was submitted. Keep an eye on your Booking.com inbox and the email linked to your account for replies. Response times can vary based on complexity and peak travel periods, but messages usually appear in your account's Help Center thread so you can follow up easily. That's it. You've contacted Booking.com customer care through the Help Center. Be clear, include key details, and check back for updates to keep things moving smoothly.